drawstation Plus.
Hello everyone, it's me, your host, Mr. Sean. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Is it better to be feared or respected? I say, is it too much to ask for both?
Marvel's high-flying, arc-reactor-powered, armour-clad Iron Man. But behind the metallic suit, he is the genius billionaire playboy philanthropist Tony Stark. Stark entered university at the age of 15 and graduated 2 years later with a master's degree in chemical engineering. Iron Man first appeared in issue 39 of Tales of Suspense comic in 1963. The actor Robert Downey Jr., who plays Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, was born 2 years later in 1965. The superhero would go on to receive his first standalone issue in 1968. Although Iron Man has been around for over 50 years and a very prominent character, it's only over the last 10 years that his popularity has soared, putting him on a similar level to the likes of Batman and Spider-Man. Just like in the movies, Iron Man was one of the 5 original members of the Avengers in the comics.
I already told you, I don't want to join your super secret boy band.
In the Iron Man films, Jarvis is Tony Stark's AI system. Jarvis actually stands for just a rather very intelligent system. But in the comics, he's an actual human being, whose full name is Edwin Jarvis. He's the Stark's family butler who took care of Tony after his parents died. Sounds familiar.
Martha!
Oops, that's another darker, moodier character. Our drawing is done. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.